Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Madhuri's Dance Studio, and I'm Madhuri. So, today's video is about a tutorial video for all my dancers. So, it is about Panchajatis. Panchajati. So, Panchajati tutorial we are doing, and Panchajati legs, how we do legs. So, Panchajati, we call this Panchajati also Tattu Mettadavu. Okay, so this panchajatis are five. Pancha means five. Okay, so there are five jatis. So which are those five jatis? Tishra, Chaturashra, Khanda, Mishra, Sankirana. So Tishra jati has three matras or aksharas. Now what is matra, what is akshara? So and aksharas are one and the same. So each jati has got a set of syllables. Like for example, Tishra jati. Tishra means three. Three jati. Tishra jati means three syllables, three aksharas or matras. Which are those three? So that is ta, ki, ta. Tishra. Whereas Chaturashra has got four aksharas. That is ta, ka, di, mi. Khanda 5. Ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Mishra has got 7. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, di, mi. And Sankirana Jati has got 9 aksharas, that is tak, di, mi, tak, ta, ki, ta. So each jati has got its own beats, set of syllables, and this set of syllables we say and do it in three speeds, that is Vilambitalaya, Madhyalaya and Drutalaya. First, second, third, that is slow, medium and fast speed. So in today's tutorial video we are going to see a Tishra Jati, very basic Tishra Jati. Starting with Tishra we are going to do, that is Ta, Ki, Ta, which has three matras or aksharas. So how to do the legs for Tishra Jati we are going to see. So I'll explain you the step in beats, like one by one first, and then we are going to do it in a three speeds. So first I'll explain you the steps how Tishra Jati is done on legs, and then we will do it in a three different speeds, the Tishra Jati. So on, we are going to cover up all the Jatis one by one. So stay tuned till the end of this video. But today's video is about Tishra Jati. So we are going to start with the Tishra. So slowly all each and every Jati videos and tutorials you'll be getting on my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates and the notification of my new videos. Okay, so let's start with Tishra Jati. Tishra Jati, three aksharas or matras, that is Takita. So how to do legs of Takita? So keep your hands on your vest and sit in Aramandi position. Okay, in this way. And now what you have to do is start with your right side. Tap your right leg and then left. So it will be like Ta, Ki, Ki is on your toes. Okay, if you see Ki, Ta. So Ta, Ki, Ta. Ta, Ki, Ta. Ta, Ki, Ta. Okay, so this is a first speed. So in first speed, one aksharas in one beat. Okay, whereas second speed, we are going to use two aksharas in one beat. So it will be like Ta, Ki, Ta. 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 So this was a third speed. Okay, so legs, I hope you all have understood what are the legs. Very simple. Right leg you need to lift and strike, while left on your toes you need to strike and place it down. So ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. Okay, so let's do this in 3 speeds. Gutak dikku takata dingena tom ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. Second speed, ta, ki, ta, 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 ta, ki, ta. I hope everyone enjoyed this Tishra Jati tutorial. So if you want to see the next tutorial of next Jatis like Chaturashra, Mishra, Sankirna, Khanda and all, so you can visit to my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, like, share, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe, and you can see the playlist where there is a separate playlist made for a Panchajati, where you can find out all the Panchajati tutorials, Tishra, Chaturashra, Khanda, Mishra and Sankirna tutorials. So you can visit there and check, or maybe it's already uploaded. So please visit, go through my playlist and you will find out all the videos over there. If it is not uploaded yet, it will be soon uploaded for you all. And do check. Before you start with the legs, I would suggest you to go through the hands. Try to learn the hands for Tishra Jati or any other Jati before you start with the legs, because it's very important to know how the beats or the aksharas, matras are being divided into 3 speeds, because that is very important to understand the legs. Okay, because we do the legs also in 3 speeds. So before you start with the legs, I would like to suggest if you can go through the hands and learn the hands for the jatis first and then come for the legs. That will be also easy for you to understand. And if you have not checked my Tishrajati video on hands, the Alam video, you can definitely visit to my YouTube channel, where you will find out those videos. If you want, I can share that link in my description box so that you can refer if you have not yet seen.